I knew where the Goethe-Institut was, but I never knew that this space itself existed, and it's tucked away around the side of the building, and it's a small door. You don't really know it exists.
Since we were talking about this dialectics between the inside and the outside, I thought of Plato's cave or the allegory, where he used the cave as a metaphor. So we kind of saw that, or rather we were inspired by that, and kind of taking a reverse stance in looking at that with this space, where we wanted to have the reality from the outside coming and seeping into this space.
We are not so much interested in the object and the physicality of something as much as the shadows that it casts. And using the shadows, we try to distort the space to create new perceptions of what reality could mean to someone. Actually, it was a very intentional decision between the three of us not to have any text and any descriptors in the space. So what we actually wanted was for a person to kind of wander through the space, to sit in the space like what we're doing here, and to just hear the lights, the sound, the shadow, and look at the world in this hyper-real world around them in a different way before they leave the basement.